Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dino and today I will teach you scales. We will learn major scale, minor scale and chromatic scale. Please make sure to share and subscribe to this channel. Let's start. Let's first start by general definition of scale. So scale comes from a Latin word which means letter. Scale is the tonal basis of music, and it is a set of tones from which you can build any melody or harmony. High notes are to major keys as low notes are to minor keys. So highest notes of piano is C, while the lowest is A. So if you play C major, you're likely to play the highest note on a piano. The reason why I'm saying about C scale is that's what we are going to learn today. And I usually get questioned, why is C the first note? Like, why are we starting from there? Because we were learning keys from A. Well, the answer is, according to historian Willie Apple, Boethius, somewhere around, this is just guesstimate here, of 480 to like 520, 524, was the first to describe a letter name system using the Roman alphabet to identify music notes. And that's the reason why we are starting from our C scale as our first key and first scale. To recognize scales in music, which will be really helpful, it's very important to identify where the semitones you hear are located in the scale relative to the root, to the tonic note. So if I'm playing C, my tonic note is C. And it is normally the semitone between the second and third note of the scale, which is forming a minor third interval with the root note, which gives it away. Today, and yeah, one more thing, I want to say that scales will really lead you to understanding the ability to know and recall relationships between notes, which will lead towards understanding the relationship between chords in future and how this sets an emotional mood. And this leads towards understanding good composition and songwriting. And it will lead towards good technique. So you will be able to play faster and you will be able to recognize these key names much faster. So music scale is a set of notes within an octave arranged by their pitch. So we have ascending and descending interval relationship. So if you're going up, that will be ascending, and then descending is going down. And we will start today with major scales. So we have 12 scales in total, and we will start from C scale. The reason why is that we will not be having any black keys, so everything will be on our white keys. So let's find C. Find the name of your keyboard or piano, whatever you're using to practice, and scroll your finger down to your two black keys, and you will have C middle. So under letters, two keys, black keys, and you will find your C middle. Put your first finger on and let's try C or Do, D or Re, E or Mi. Then you will put your first finger under and put first finger on F or Fa, G or Sol, A or La, B or C, and C or Do. So the reason why I'm saying this is some of us know Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Si, Do, or C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So whatever you're using is the same keys. And we are going down. Now with left hand, we will go just an octave lower from here. So if we have our C middle, let's find down next C, this will be our C bass. and we will start with our fifth finger. So for fifth on C, fourth, third, second, first on G, 3, 2, 1, and go down. And let's try now with both. Now if we want to play our minor scale, we will again do from C, just so you can see that difference. We will be just changing few keys. So instead of E, we'll have E flat. This was natural minor scale. So minor scale is a little bit different. We will be having three groups of minors. So we are having natural, we are having harmonic, and we are having melodic. So natural, we are just using three flats that C minor scale has. So C minor scale has B flat, E flat, A flat. We're using same fingering, but instead of E, we're using E flat. Instead of A flat. Instead of B flat, C. Now if we want to do harmonic, we will be starting all the same. But instead of seventh B flat, so seventh key in a B in a minor harmonic scale is always going up. So because we had flat, and we will cancel that flat, so we'll have B because we are playing harmonic. Or if you want to count like your whole and half steps, this will be 1.5 step between this one and this one. And the last one is melodic, but melodic is only, we are only using melodic when we are going up or when we are doing ascending way. So we are all using the same, but remember in harmonic, we just canceled our seventh and move it half step up. Well, in melodic, we moved sixth up and seventh up. So like I said, melodic, we are only using when we are going up. When we are going down, we are doing our natural. So again, let's try with both. Natural, harmonic, melodic, natural. I want to introduce you today with a chromatic scale as well. You probably heard that. So chromatic scale is, without any argument, one of the easiest scales to understand, particularly on the piano. This is because you simply go up from any key you decide to the other without skipping any. So we are actually playing every key up. The scale consists of 12 notes. Each note is half step apart. For instance, if I'm starting from C, my next half step will be the closest one, C sharp, then the closest one. Now you see that I'm using completely different fingering here. I will start with first finger on C, and on your black key will always be your middle finger, and on white is always 1. The place where we are changing when we have two white keys next to each other, because we don't have black, we are going to do first on E, 2 on F, then 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. So when you start on C, you will end on C, like I just showed you. But these are the 12 notes that make up the scale. When you go up, you're going to play same keys, except that some of the keys would be sharp, and when you're going backwards or descending order, these sharps will be written as flats. Remember when we learned sharps and flats, and what we said, if we want sharp, we are going to the closest key up. When you're writing music, that's how you're going to write. You cannot write D flat. You will write C sharp if you want to have half step. If you're going backwards, or when you're descending, when you're going down, instead of writing sharps, we said that flats are going to your closest key down. So that's the reason why you're going to see when you're going up you have sharps, when you're going down you have flats. Now with left hand, fingering is pretty much the same. You will start with first. You will do again on every black key middle finger, 1, 3, because second finger is closer to your middle. You will do here second, first, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. Now let's try that together. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and I hope that I helped you a little bit. Hopefully now you know at least difference between major and minor scale and chromatic scale as well. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe, to share with your friends, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.